chilled out day 7. It's raining, so we put this canopy over the van with ladders up onto the roof, and today the plan is to install the vent fan and my skylight that I got from the marine supply store. You want to have proper ventilation when you live in a van, so that's what I'm gonna do to make sure I have good ventilation. Woohoo! We'll see how it goes, because you know, lots of things don't always go according to plan. I'm going to have a skylight. This is my skylight I got at the boat store, the fishery supply. It's a marine supply store, and this here is my vent fan. I also got at the fishery supply store. These are both made to go on boats, and we made templates out of cardboard. We have to cut holes in the roof as big as this round thing and as big as this square thing, and we have some it's called butyl tape and some lap sealant to go around on the outside to make sure the rain does not come in and leak in the roof. We got the Sabre Saw out again, and we have a drill, and we're gonna drill holes in the roof where we have put the circle for the vent and the square for the skylight, and then we're going to chop out those shapes with the Sabre Saw. Here we go! Ick! Lesson learned, don't put kill mat where you're gonna drill things and cut out your roof. You're tapping a hole to start the drill bit?
No, yeah, just a dent. See, then the drill bit will go into that dent and not wander, as it was doing. Can't say I did a good job. I should have been deeper than that. I have punches, but I couldn't find a punch. It's probably I need to do it harder. Maybe I need
Woohoo!
Come back.
Ready? Woohoo! Okay, we're up on the roof, on the top of the van, and we drew our little template shapes. Just kind of had to guess as best as I could based on what I know about what it's like underneath, and just gonna saw that out with the Sabre Saw and see how it looks. We're putting a cloth under the Sabre Saw to cut it because it was scratching the roof. We'll have to do some touch-up paint. File off all the burrs.
Yep.
Only go one way.
Yeah.
Okay. We got the holes cut out, and we made sure that the things fit, and we marked little dots for where the screws are going to go in those holes. And that one, it was the vent, and this one is the nice skylight. And it opens up like all the way, and I really love how it says, warning, watertight closure, keep shut when underway, because it's made for boats. And we're gonna put butyl tape all underneath this lip here, and we're going to seal it off with some lap sealant caulking, which is the kind of caulking that just has a little, it runs a little bit, so it smooths itself out. And right now we're trying to get the right drill bit to put the bolts and hold down this skylight. You got all the holes drilled for the bolts, and you gotta remember to file off the burrs. Got the skylight on, and it's all caulked around the butyl tape, and we caulked over the screws. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's not going to matter because it'll be on the roof and no one's going to see it. Can't be a perfectionist when you're putting caulk all over your roof. This is the butyl tape, and it's going around the hole, and then the vent cover is going to go over the top like that, and then the caulking is going to go around the edge, just like we did on the skylight. And this one is for the vent fan. It's raining so much, but we got the vent done over here. You can see the caulking around the edge there over the butyl tape. And over here is the skylight. And the caulking is down there. Ooh, I'm so happy. I'm going to have airflow, a vent, and a skylight. Here's the fan from the inside and my skylight over here. And the fan, the vent fan is super quiet. Watch. Oh, someone's rolling a garbage can outside and it's raining, but I'm gonna turn this on and it's like you can hardly hear it. It's like a little bird whisper. So quiet. Turn it off.
Allison.
Also, the wool insulation came while we were putting the vent and the skylight in. I think I waited like 2 months for this wool. I ordered it from Havelock. They sell VanLife for their wool insulation. It says 4 to 6 weeks, but might take 2 months. So I got wool, but it will have to wait for another day because I just put in a skylight and a vent, and I think I'm done. See you next time.
Hello everyone, Allison here, and this is my van called Wonderland. If you're a millennial and beyond looking to become a roam owner, maybe retire early and see the wonderlands of the wild, then this is the place for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and save this video to all of your van life and roam life playlists. For more information in less time, adjust your playback settings to watch these videos on 1.5 speed. If you'd like to follow my adventure, or you need a consultant to help you get from a house that doesn't move into a home that does, then visit my website at www.allisonwonderland.info. See you in Wonderland!